little bit. Yes, is it visible? Is it visible? Fast question. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. I want to see the how much you are preparing, because I told you that you have to prepare for August. So within August, how much you can prepare, that's I want to see today. Manish is giving the answer, Jyoti is giving the answer, Sanjeev is giving the answer, Sarita is giving the answer. So everyone, please count. Start counting your number. Okay, start counting your number. Anyone left? Survi already done. Sanjeev, Sarita, Himani, Vikrant is not answering. Okay, so I am showing the answer and start your counting. Okay, so answer, Kallani is giving also answer. Very good. So answer is 4. So Survi correct, Sanjeev correct, answer is 4. 4 is the answer. So Survi, Kallani, Himani, Sarita are correct. Manish and Jyoti, you are wrong. So this question we have already done in our previous class, in TOC class we have already discussed this question. So please do the revision. Okay, today I will not discuss any question, because today is the surprise test, it is your test. So you have to remember that where we have discussed the question, right? So this question we have already discussed, so that's why try to do the revision. Jyoti, not Jyoti, Sarita and Manish. Sarita and Manish. Okay, yes, Survi is dancing. Very good. Good, great. Now come to the second question, is from graphics. Okay, graphics is we don't know graphics, but if anyone can do, try to do. I did not teach graphics, but if anyone can solve, please try to solve. I think this topic I did not teach, but it is exam. As it is exam, as it is surprise test, so all of the question will be there. So try to solve it. Okay, Zoom. Yes, is it visible? Manish, no mistake, don't do any mistake. It is your test, take it seriously. It is your test. Think it that this is the NTA NET, you are giving the NTA NET exam. Yes, I have Zoom, it is Zoom now. Take it seriously, take it that it is your test and try to count your marks. And after the class, after the ending, I will ask you how much you get. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. What about others? Okay, I am showing only first option visible. There are the option, these are the option. No, these are the option, there is the option. Okay, Himani is also answering. There is the option, option are there. So please ask me that where are the option. These are the option 1, 2, 3, 4 option. Try to see the option. So it's final. Option number 1, everyone is telling option number 1. Is it final? So let me see the option. Is it final? These are the option. Option is available. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is P and R. 2 is PQR. 3 is Q and R. And 4 is P and Q. Okay, all of you are telling option number 1, but all of you are wrong. Option number 4 is the answer. Option number 4 is the answer. Answer is option number 4, not option number 1. It is telling P and Q. So all of you are wrong. So computer graphics, if you want you can learn, or if you are not preparing for computer graphics, then you can left it, no problem. Then yes, this question we have done. This is the artificial AI question. AI question I teach in Unacademy. It is AI question. I taught this question, and we have discussed this question in Unacademy. This is a AI question. No मैम, इसका आंसर 1 है. इसका आंसर 1 है. मेरा आंसर की तो सही, मैंने सीजी किए हैं, बट क्या है यार. Is it visible? Now it is okay, right? Now come to the option number question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, AI question, semi-dynamic environment. It is a question from AI, and Himani, for the computer graphics question, according to the answer key, I am always marking the answer, correct answer, but actually I am not sure about computer graphics, so I cannot say anything. Question number 3. Try to do question number 3. Question number 3. Semi-dynamic environment. Answer. Okay, Survi is giving the answer. Sarita, Manish. Others, what about others? Kalani, Himani. Anyone left? Anyone left? I think Sanjeev, till now Sanjeev is not giving the answer. Where is Sanjeev? Sanjeev, Manish, Jyoti. Sanjeev, Manish, Jyoti. Okay, Pooja Gupta. Pooja Gupta. also giving the answer. Okay, let's see the answer. What is the answer? Yes, option number 1. I think the answer is option number 1, right? Yes, the answer is option number 1. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Semi dynamic environment, option number 1 is the correct answer. Right, option number 1 is the correct answer. The environment does not change with the passage of time but agent performance. Option number 1 is the answer, not 3. Not 3, option number 1 is the answer. Option number 1, that is environment itself does not change with the passage but the agent performance score is changed. That is the correct answer. I know the answer. I taught this in Unacademy also. This is the answer. Okay, Rakesh Kumar Gupta, welcome. Today surprise test is going on, so you can test yourself. This is the testing, so try to test yourself. Today the surprise test is going on. This question also I have done. We have done this question also in YouTube. Also I have discussed this question. This is a question from software engineering. No, last question is related to AI. Semi dynamic environment is related to AI, artificial intelligence. Semi dynamic environment is artificial intelligence. It is AI, and now this question is from software engineering. I have uploaded so many videos for software engineering. Total software engineering is complete in YouTube channel also. All the topic I have completed and all the question I have discussed in YouTube also. So please watch that video. There is the answer is there, and try to solve it now. At least my plus student, that is Survi, Sanjeev, and Sunita is not there today. Why Sunita is not there today? What happened? No one is answering. Means you did not watch the video. Okay, Himani, the answer is this. Option 1 is 3, 2. Option 2 is 3, 4. Option 3 is 4, 3. And option 4 is 2, 3. Okay, Sunita just came. So already we have discussed 3 questions. This is the 4th question. This is the 4th question. I think yes, this is the 4th question. Please see the question and try to answer. See, this is the question from software engineering, and see, please watch the question and try to answer. First watch the question, then I will show you the option. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer directly. Directly Sanjeev is giving the answer. I have uploaded the video for this question and I have discussed this topic so clearly. So if you have not seen this video, please watch the video. Okay, Sarita is giving the answer. Sanjeev is giving the answer. Sanjeev, I got your answer. No, option number 1 there is no 3 4. 3 4 is there in option number 2. Option number 1 is 3 comma 2. Option number 3 is 4 comma 3. Option number 4 is 2 comma 3. Option 1 is 3 comma 2. Option 2 is 3 comma 4. Option 3 is 4 comma 3 and option 4 is 2 comma 3. So now let me know the answer. अरे क्यों यार, यहाँ पे पढ़ा रही हूँ, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है क्या? अन अकेडमी से कुछ कम हो रहा है इधर? अन अकेडमी पे भी जैसे पढ़ाती थी अभी भी ऐसे भी यहाँ पे भी पढ़ा रही हूँ, तो यहाँ पे करो ना. अन अकेडमी जब बोलेगा what I can do. An academy is telling me that it is on hold, so I can't do anything. तो यहाँ पे भी तो हो रहा है, यहाँ पे कर लो ना. चलो, so now I am showing the answer. Okay, Pooja Gupta is also. Pooja Gupta, I think you are new. So if you are new, please watch the recording of software engineering. Yes, the answer is option 2. The answer is option 2. Yes, good. यही सही है मैम. Yes, option 2 is the answer. So all of you are correct. Option 2 is the answer. 3 4, very good. Now this is the LPP question. So LPP question, this is dual simplex method. Better to skip it because you want to solve this LPP dual simplex. It's so easy. It's not so difficult. You can solve it. It will not take so much time. Dual simplex. You want to solve it now? Okay Ramesh, that's fine. Actually in Unacademy they are telling me my process is on hold. I don't know how long they will take time. Yes, it will take time, I know. So I am skipping this question. I know I am skipping this question. So one question I skip. Try to do. Yes, this question is very interesting. This question is very much interesting. We have done this question for computer graphics. We have done this question for the computer graphics numerical. वॉइस मिसमैच हो रही है. वॉइस मिसमैच हो रही है क्या? For computer graphics we have done this question for the computer graphics numerical. Okay. Gautami Bid. Gautami, I am you are commenting in my video. I saw that. Clear है. संजीव, वॉइस में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. It's very easy question. We have discussed this question also. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. More. Prachi already, Sanjeev, Gautami. What about others? I can see 13 live students. Himani is giving the answer. Sarita is giving the answer. I can see 13 students are there. Kalani is also giving the answer. Okay, Sunita is giving answer. Manish is giving the answer. So let's see the answer. Yes, 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Sanjeev, here lookup table is not required. Without lookup table also you can solve. We have solved this question in computer graphics in Unacademy also. It is very easy question. We have discussed this question. Try to watch the recording, or I will upload the video for the computer graphics here. Computer graphics numerical I will upload. There lookup table जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's very easy. You can solve it directly. ओके ठीक है, सब डिसलाइक कर दो एक बार. मनीष बता रहे हैं लाइक कर दो. अगर लाइक नहीं करना है तो डिसलाइक कर दो. यस, डायरेक्टली वी कैन डू इट. मनीष इज टेलिंग टू लाइक, सो अगर लाइक नहीं करना है तो डिसलाइक कर दो. ओके, आई विल अपलोड वीडियो फॉर द कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स न्यूमेरिकल. I have teach it in Unacademy. I taught it in Unacademy, so I will upload, or I will take the class. No problem. Now try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. Question number 7. Try it, everyone, try it. Okay, giving the answer. So let's see. Yes, good, very good. कल आपने कब ली थी कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स की क्लास? कल नहीं ली थी. कल कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स का क्लास नहीं हुआ. आई टूक द कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स क्लास इन अनअकैडमी. इन अनअकैडमी आई टूक द क्लास. ओके, कल नहीं लिए थे. Option 4 is the answer, not option 2. Option 4 is the answer, that is 2 and 3 is undecidable. Option 4 is the answer. Option 4, Gautami correct, Sanjeev correct, Himani correct, Manish correct, Prachi also correct. Only Jyoti you are wrong. Option 4 is the answer. ठीक है, because 2 and 3 only undecidable. ठीक है. Now try to solve this question also. We have discussed this question also. Try to solve this question. Everyone try to count your number. Ammu Gitu is giving the answer. Try to count your number, everyone. How much you are getting? Count your number. Okay, everyone is giving answer. Gautami, Sunita, Gitu, and Sarita, Himani, Manish. I need answer from everyone. Ramesh. Okay, okay. So I can see 16 students are there. I got reply from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, others are not replying. So let's see. Let's see the answer. Sanjeev, what happened? The answer is question option 1. Option 1 is the answer. What happened, Sanjeev? Why you are confused? Is there any confusion? You are telling 2. Thank you. Thank you. Why you are confused, Sanjeev? It is not. L2 is not, only L1. Why you are confused? Both L1 and L2 not context free. Why you are telling 2? The answer is option 1, that is L1 is context free only. Definitely L1 is context free only. Option 1 is the answer. Why you are confused, Sanjeev? Now everyone correct, only Sanjeev is giving the answer wrong. Sanjeev, I think you are confused. See, there is a to the power n plus 1, then b to the power m, then a to the power m. So we can do by push and pop. We have discussed this question also. Try to remember. We have discussed this question. Try to remember. But there is the comparison m plus n means a to the power a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n. There is more than one comparison. So that's why this is not L2, right? So why you are confused? This is also a question from computer graphics. Computer graphics, homogeneous transformation. You want to do, anyone want to do? Yes, PDA is possible for one. Yes, option I am showing. Option, these are the option. So let me zoom out. Yes, now I can, now option are visible. Now option are visible. You can solve this type of question by doing graph, by drawing the graph also you can solve this type of question. Most of the computer graphics question rather means on the numerical question of computer graphics you can solve easily by drawing graph or by doing arithmetic. By doing arithmetic or by drawing graph also you can solve it, if you have the knowledge. It's very easy, try to solve it. Only graph, only doing graph, nothing else. Solve it, solve it. I think for this no knowledge is required for computer graphics, only by graph you can do. Try to apply your knowledge of graph. Graph you know, right? In 8th, 9th, 10th standard you have done your graph. So from that graph also you can do. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. What about others? Jyoti is giving the answer. What about others? Himani is giving the answer. Himani is giving the answer. So I am showing the answer. I think we have to discuss computer graphics also because some students are confused. Definitely I will take the class for the computer graphics. मैम मैंने CG कभी नहीं स्टडी किए हो जाएगा मेरे साथ. एटलीस्ट कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स का अगर फोर आई थिंक कभी 3 क्वेश्चन कभी 4 क्वेश्चन ऐसे आते. जितना भी क्वेश्चन आएगा I am assuring that at least 50% question you can solve. Kalani, I will take only 2 to 3 class for the computer graphics, and already who are from Unacademy, they know that. I will take only 3 to 4 class for the computer graphics. After that, I am assuring that you will be able to solve computer graphics question at least 50% question. I am not assuring 100% question because I also not learned total computer graphics because some theoretical part is there. So I don't like that theoretical part. But the means this type of graphs question and another that numerical, I will help you. Definitely you will solve. Okay, no issue. The answer is 3. It can be solved very easily. Computer graphics is not required here actually. I will show you, don't worry, we will learn. Okay, that is my strategy only. The less is more because I am trying to get the marks from everywhere. I will help you to do that. This is a question from probability. So if anyone can answer, try to do. Yes, I am assuring that computer graphics at least numerical question you will be able to solve. That is very easy question. This is a probability question. Want to solve anyone? Anyone have done probability? Anyone have done probability? Want to solve this? Joint distribution. No, okay. I am skipping this question. I am skipping this question. Yes, this is a very good question from propositional logic. Try to solve. Okay, Himani is giving the answer. Yes, option 4 is the answer, Himani. Option 4 is the answer, Himani. You are correct. You are correct, Himani. So, Himani, I will request you that as you have done this, so from today, that is my request to all the students. Till now I can see the live class, there are 15 students. So it is my request to everyone that if anyone is comfortable and if anyone wants to join with Unify Study, so Unify Study is open for all. Actually my planning was to start the Unify Study. I you know the caption, that is united information for you. So I have created this channel and I have created my website so that we can learn together. Okay. So actually means very clearly I can say that this question is actually I cannot solve this question. So Himani, as you know that how to solve this question, so please I will request you, if you can, please record a video that from where the question is coming and how to solve this question. Please record a video and please send me. If you are agree with me, then I will upload your video with your name only. Okay, I will upload your video with your name only if you are agree. And for all of the student, it is open to all, that if you want to teach, if you want to join Unify Study, that I can't pay anything, you know that there is no payment, there is nothing, I am not getting any payment. So if you are interested, if any of you interested that which area you are good, if you want to teach anything in this channel, then Unify Study is open for you. And so that Himani, I am requesting you, if you know that how to solve, if you know this part, then please record a video and please send me through WhatsApp or through Telegram. Then I will upload the video with your name only. I will not upload the video with my name, I will upload the video with your name only, and you can describe your name and everything if you want. Okay. So that was my dream, that Unify Study will be for all, so that we can help each other. Okay, now try to solve this. Try to solve this. Yes, this is very easy question. Sunita is giving the answer. This is the very easy question from propositional logic. Equivalence, contrapositive, converse, implication. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. Ansu, yes, I am fine. Happy to see you, Ansu. I am fine, Ansu. Gautami is giving the answer. Ansu, surprise test is going on. Try to participate. Try to participate on the surprise test. How much you have prepared? So, yes. Option 1 is the answer. Only Prachi, you are wrong. Why you are confused, Prachi? Only Prachi, you are wrong. Why you are confused with option 2? Equivalence, this is the equivalence, right? Equivalence means this is the equivalence. How you do the option 2? Prachi, this is not equivalence, this is equivalence. If and only if, that is only equivalence. P implies Q and Q implies P, that is the sign of equivalence. So how you answer the option 2? Option 1 is the answer only. Yes, this is also a very good question. Try to solve this question. I am zooming it for more clear. Yes. Try to solve this question. Combination. Using combination you have to solve. Okay, option Sanjeev is giving the answer. Using combination only you can do. Okay, Manish also giving the answer. Himani also giving the answer. Sarita. Prachi. Okay, okay. What others? What about others? Pooja, Vikrant. Okay. Now विक्रांत ने अभी खाता खोल गया. विक्रांत क्या एक अब जब हम लोग कमेंट्री देखते हैं ना कि वो अभी खाता खोल लिया उसका, तो विक्रांत ने अभी उसको खाता खोल लिए. ठीक है, नहीं आता है. अरे सुनीता, इसमें जस्ट काउंट करो कितना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. how many number are there? From there how many subset you can create? ठीक है, how many subset you can create? नहीं मैम, पहले एक बार सही दिए थे. अच्छा, सॉरी विक्रांत, पहले एक बार सही दिए थे. ठीक है, इससे आप देख लो कि इसमें क्या बताए. सब स्ट्रिंग मतलब कितना हो सकता है. इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 है. 10 है तो 10 के साथ आप सब स्ट्रिंग एटलीस्ट मैक्सिमम 9 कर सकते हो. सो इन दैट वे यू हैव टू मेक द कॉम्बिनेशन. ट्राई टू थिंक सुनीता, यू कैन डू इट. ठीक है, ये क्लास होने के बाद एक बार ट्राई करो, हो जाएगा. बहुत इजी है. चलो, नाउ दिस इज ए क्वेश्चन. Yes, this is also a question from, yes, you can do it. सेट थ्योरी का क्वेश्चन है. यू कैन डू इट. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Actually, these are the question from discrete math and optimization. Discrete math and optimization, there are so much coverage. 15 question are coming. Total discrete math and optimization. Or means Prachi, or means the survey has been conducted on the method of communal labor. Each respond work that you have to do in set theory. मैम फुल स्क्रीन नहीं हो रहा है क्या? फुल स्क्रीन होने से ना आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा. 200% मैंने कर लिया. फुल स्क्रीन होने से दिखाई नहीं देगा आपको. हाँ, ऑपरेशनल रिसर्च. हाँ, ऑपरेशनल रिसर्च का ही है. 30 पीपल. हाँ, ऑपरेशनल रिसर्च का ही है. Thirty people, 10 people, bus, train to mobile, train mobile, 3 method people, 5 people. So the answer is, I am showing you the answer. Answer is option 1. Option 1 is the answer. This is the part of discrete math and optimization. This is a question from discrete math and optimization, that is unit 1. From unit 1 the question is coming. ठीक है? Yes, from unit 1 only you can solve it. So that is the question from unit 1 and answer is option 1. We have I have completed so many topic in Unacademy. Yes, 120 is the answer. Yes, Gautami, Himani, Ramesh, Sanjeev, everyone is correct. 120 is the answer. I think you can solve using Venn diagram also, right? Using Venn diagram also you can solve this question. Just using Venn diagram. Try to draw the Venn diagram and from that Venn diagram only, using the concept of set theory, you can do it. Just try to draw the Venn diagram and from that Venn diagram the question is very easy. Right? Yes. Now this is the networking, my favorite question. I love networking question. This is the question of from networking. I have not started the networking till now in my channel. I will start soon. हाँ, फॉर्मूला से ये सारे क्वेश्चन सेट थ्योरी का टाइप क्वेश्चन, जैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन वेन डायग्राम से बनाओ, वो अच्छा होता है, वेन डायग्राम से ही अच्छा होता है. वो फॉर्मूला याद रखने में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. वेन डायग्राम से इट विल बी मोर क्लियर. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यूजिंग वेन डायग्राम ओनली. दैट इज द बेस्ट वे. Yes, this is the question from subnetting, networking, subnetting question. Already solved before, okay. Networking, subnetting question. Answer everyone. What happened? Answer, answer. No idea. Manish, you don't know subnetting? Manish, then please go to Unacademy. There I have completed total networking, at least 80% networking I have completed in the only free class, that is the special class. So Manish and all who don't know, who have some confusion about networking, then I will suggest you that it is better go to Unacademy, search my profile Priyanka Chatterjee, and there you can see so many networking classes are there. I have completed everything. So just watch the video. At least 80% will be covered from there only. At least 80% you can cover from the special classes only. Okay, so please go to the special class. Manish, try to watch the video in the special class. In my profile it is available. So the answer is, and everyone, for everyone, not only for Manish, all of you who are confused about networking, it is better that there is not enough time that I have to take again all the classes. That is better watch the video in special class. So the answer is option number 3. Option number 3 is the answer. Yes, Pooja, everyone is correct. Option number 3 is the answer. and who are not getting, I have already solved the question in Unacademy. So please go to Unacademy and there is all the class are available. Please watch the recording. Okay. Yes, then yes, this is a question from operating system. This is a question from operating system. Try to solve this 15 number question. Operating system, mutual exclusion. Okay, Manish, Gautami, Sanjeev, Sarita giving the answer. Prachi, Himani, Sunita. Okay, everyone is giving the answer. So all are confident. All are confident. Yes, very good. Option 4 is the answer. Neither P nor Q execute in critical section. क्योंकि critical section में at a time only one can execute, right? Mutual exclusion. Critical section में no other can execute, right? No, Vikrant, it is option 4. Try to clear your concept of mutual exclusion. For operating system also, I think some classes I have taken in Unacademy special class. You can see the special class. So many important topic I have covered in Unacademy special class, and till now operating system after this I will start operating system or networking. Any one of them I will start. This is also from operating system. Try to solve this. Try to solve this. जूम करने से नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा. Gautami, try to answer with option. Try to answer with option, Gautami. Page replacement algorithm FIFO. FIFO, page replacement algorithm. From operating system it is coming. Okay, Prachi, Sanjeev is giving the answer. Try to draw the table. Try to draw the table. बहुत easily आपको हो जाएगा. Try to solve using table. That is the best option. Answer, everyone, answer. I am waiting. Okay, Ansu is giving the answer. Prachi is giving the answer. Ansu, try to do the answer with option. Because क्या होता है ना कि आंसर से कभी ऐसा अगर हो जाए कि आंसर आपका 2 और आप आंसर 2 ऑप्शन है 1 में और आप ऑप्शन 2 टिक करके आ गए तो आपका गलत हो जाएगा. तो दैट्स वाई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू आंसर विथ ऑप्शन. ऐसा होता है, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था इन सम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्वेश्चन. द आंसर आई गेट आंसर वाज 2, ठीक है, बट द आंसर 2 वाज देयर इन ऑप्शन नंबर 4. इन ऑप्शन नंबर 4 द आंसर वाज 2, बट एज इन माई माइंड द आंसर वाज 2, सो आई मार्क द ऑप्शन 2. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक is doing, this type of mistake we are doing in exam hall. That's why always try to reply by answer, by the option. Okay, always try to answer everyone, Himani, Ammu Geeta, Ammu Gitu and Ansu, everyone who are answering through the answer, don't do the answer, try to do the with the option, because ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ है, आंसर 2 आ गया जल्दी में, मैं आंसर 2 था, 2 जो आंसर है वो था ऑप्शन 4 में, ऑप्शन 4 टिक करने के बजाय मैं ऑप्शन 2 टिक करके आ गए. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक डोंट डू. I have done this type of mistake, that's why I am telling. Yes, so option 1 is the answer, so answer is 5, option 1 is the answer, option 1 is the answer, you are correct everyone, very good. Now again from operating system, again the question is from operating system, try to solve this. Why Sunita, you are getting 3 option? No, I think you have done some mistake. Sunita, I think you have done some mistake, because think here there was what was the ordering you have to, and there is 3 pages. Did you get 4? Here is only 3 pages. Okay, using 3 pages you have to solve. I think you have done, and it is FIFO. It is FIFO. Please read the question again and try to solve it after the class. After the class, try to solve it. Then question number 17. Okay, question number 17. Process residing in main memory and ready and waiting for execution. Main memory and ready and waiting for execution. What is the answer? Sunita, then I think you have done some mistake. अरे सब लोग ठीक है, जो लोग सॉल्व किए हो ऑप्शन नंबर जिसका 5 आए हैं, लाइक संजीव इज देयर इन माय ग्रुप, आई नो दैट हिमानी इज देयर इन माय ग्रुप, सो प्लीज टेक ए फोटो एंड सेंड इट टू द ग्रुप. प्लीज टेक ए फोटो ऑफ योर आंसर एंड सेंड इट टू द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, सो दैट दोज हु आर कंफ्यूज दे कैन चेक, दे कैन वेरीफाई देयर आंसर. ठीक है, फॉर द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन FIFO, फॉर द FIFO क्वेश्चन प्लीज टेक द फोटो हु गॉट द आंसर 5 and send it in the WhatsApp group, so that everyone will get the correct answer and everyone can verify their answer. Okay, it is my request, please try to help each other. So option 4 is the answer, you are correct, option 4 is the answer, that is the ready queue, right? Obviously it is the ready queue. Yes, now this is again from software engineering, clean room strategy. I have uploaded a video for the clean room strategy, you can check the video. I have uploaded it in my software engineering playlist is there, so you can check the video and now try to solve this. Okay Ansu, no problem, at least you came to the class, really thank you, because today is birthday of Unified Study, so so many students are available today, so I am so happy. Thank you, thanks for joining the session Ansu. Okay, everyone is giving the answer, so option number 18, answer option number 18, आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 का आंसर बताओ. क्लीन रूम स्ट्रैटेजी. Clean room strategy. I have taken the class in YouTube also. There is video for this question. All of you are giving option number 4. Again I think you did not watch the false. All of you again you did not watch the false. They are asking which one is false, which as one is false. This question every time all of you are doing wrong answer. Why? I don't know. It is asking which one is false. Please watch the recording again. We have discussed this question so many times. So many times we have discussed this question. The answer is neither P nor Q. It is asking that which are false. It is not asking true, which are false. Okay, Himani, try to watch the recording. I have completed the software engineering. Software engineering is there in the playlist. So, from the playlist, try to complete it. Now, software re-engineering and reverse engineering. Reverse engineering. It is my request to all of you, please at least try to complete the playlist of this YouTube channel. I have uploaded so many videos for the software engineering, and don't neglect the software engineering because so many questions are coming for UGC NET, and it is a very easy subject. You can score, it is very easy and scoring subject. So please try to complete this subject. This is very easy, this is very much scoring, and in UGC NET they are asking questions. So many questions are coming, at least 9 to 10 questions are coming from software engineering. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Software engineering and reverse engineering. Option 1 is the correct answer. That is both P and Q are true. Yes. Now, this is a question from cryptography. Different types of secret algorithm, that is cryptography. Cryptography question. This is a cryptography question, different types of algorithm. नो आइडिया. ओके, तो तुक्का लगाओ. तुक्का लगाना भी देखना है ना, तुक्का कैसे लगा सकते हो. तुक्का लगाओ जिसको आइडिया नहीं है. ऐसा टाइप क्वेश्चन कभी कभी तुक्का लगाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि सारे टाइम तो सब कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं आते. There is a chart actually for the algorithm. I will provide you the chart. There are some algorithm that what are which bit. I will provide you the chart. Okay. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. So try to remember from today. That is Bluefish. Blowfish is 56 bit. Not 56 bits. Sorry, Blowfish, that is 12448 bits. And DES, that is 56 bit, and idea that is 128 bit, and RC5, RC5 that is 128 to 256 bit. Okay, we will discuss all the algorithm. Blowfish, all the algorithm are for cryptography, all are from cryptography. So we have to discuss the algorithm. We have not started till now networking. Okay, when we will discuss, then actually today is only surprise test, so that's why I am not discussing any question. Otherwise it is your test. Okay, so now 21, this is also from networking. Yes, this is also from networking. Try to solve it. Gautami is giving the answer. Prachi, Kallani, congestion control, flow control, TCP, UDP, everything I have discussed in Unacademy special class. Please, I am requesting everyone, please watch the video of networking. There is a very good content, I can assure you, for the networking, and you can take the feedback from the student also, that I have completed networking very clearly and it will be helpful for you all. Please check the recording. Okay, and the answer is what is the answer? Definitely answer is 1. Yes, you are correct. Answer is 1. Ruhi, you are wrong. Bikrant, you are wrong. Those who are confused, please watch the recording. No, that is the answer. Option number 1. Option number 1 is the only answer, because TCP handle both congestion and flow control, but UDP handle congestion but not flow control. That is not correct. ठीक है, UDP is user datagram protocol. Shailendro, welcome. Now this is from predicate logic. Try to solve this. This question also I have discussed. Propositional logic, predicate logic, all are there in the special class. This question also I have discussed in the special class. That is totally free. Anytime you can access the class. For the propositional logic and predicate logic also, there is some 2 or 3 classes are there in Unacademy. So try to watch the recording. Option 2, consider the sentence below. Okay. Someone confused. Some confusion is again some confusion. ये तो वो याद हो गए मुझे जब से आपने करवाए हैं. अच्छा, याद तो होना ही चाहिए, आपको तो याद होना ही चाहिए. Sunita is my regular student. Always she was used to come every day in Unacademy. So the answer is option 1. Option 1 is the answer. So don't be confused with this. There exists a country that is the border. There is the border, the meaning is different. The third bracket, the meaning is different, and there is also that means it is meaning that if means if there exists a bother, like the meaning is different. Okay, I have discussed it, please check the recording, the meaning is different. So the answer is option 1 only, not option 2, not option 2, the answer is option 1 only. Okay, option 1 is the answer. Only Sunita is correct, Kallani is also correct, हिमानी रॉन्ग. संजीव आपको तो ये गलत होना नहीं चाहिए. संजीव वाई यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग, क्योंकि आप भी तो मेरे क्लास कोर्स का ही स्टूडेंट हो, आपका तो गलत होना नहीं चाहिए. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन 23, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. We have discussed this question in YouTube also. In YouTube TOC class also we have discussed this question. Ma'am, it's 11:05. Okay. Okay, so this is the mode 2 question. We will solve till 25. We will solve till 25. ठीक है, mode 2 question, or we can leave here also. 23. ठीक है, after this question I will stop the class. Okay. ठीक है, everyone is giving the answer. Yes, option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Yes, you were correct. Option 3 is the answer. So how much? So we have discussed how many questions? I think 2 questions we left, right? One from computer graphics and another from probability. So we have discussed 21 questions. So out of 21, how many questions you correct? Out of 21, we left only 2 questions, that is one from computer graphics and another from probability. So that is the 23rd, means 21 question we have solved. So from this 21, how much you get? 2-3 सेकेंड, मतलब ठीक है. So I think at least you have revision, your revision is done through this surprise test, and thanks for joining the surprise test, because I think this type of test is required for you so that you can analyze you. Okay, because I am taking the question for the revision, and I am trying to judge your preparation so that you can prepare yourself and be prepared for the surprise test every time. So repetitively I will take the some surprise test. I will take anytime I can take any day. So be prepared yourself so that any day when the surprise, actual surprise will come to you, that any day the lockdown is over, and any time the notification will come within 20 days or within 15 days the exam is happening, maybe. So be prepared for that. Be happy with you all. I can't be like a only housewife. When I am not taking class, I have to do a whole time, I have to do work, whole time I have to do the kitchen work and everything. I am so feeling bad. I am feeling bad. That's why I am coming here. I am coming here only for me, not only for you. That is my pleasure. Really, that is my pleasure when I am coming to you. Okay. So I am very selfish. I am not doing for you. I am doing for me. Okay. So thank you everyone. Just try to be continue with the class. Okay. and please try to share with everyone so that they can get the benefit also. Okay, yes. So bye bye, good night everyone. So paper 1 class is also going on, you can join the paper 1 class also.